How do patents impact a startup's ability to scale globally? First, international protections filed in key jurisdictions prevent competitors from copying innovations abroad. Securing IP rights enables startups to confidently expand into the foreign market without fears of copying or competition from the local competition. Patents also allow startups to license technology globally, generating revenue while it's scaling the operation. In the short term, you may want to license a company in a jurisdiction that you don't have the resources to pursue to market the product. And at some point in the downstream, when the license agreement expires, you can make the decision of whether to continue or to enter the market yourself. The patents also provide brand strengthening opportunity. Protected innovations enhance credibility and trust in the international markets, boosting customer confidence. Patents also create barriers for competitors. Global patents deter competitors from entering protected regions, solidifying market positions for startups. So those are the reasons why you should seek international patents.